Okay, so y'all know I told y'all I was on my weight loss journey. So I just want to share with you guys the product that I'm using. It's called Bye Bye Belly. So I use the Bye Bye Belly juice, the Bye Bye Belly tea, and the Bye Bye Belly unicorn juice. So tonight I want to show you guys what I do and how I make my Bye Bye Belly tea. So I'm gonna show you what you need first. So first, you need a gallon of water. And then either you need a tea infuser, and this is the one that I got off on Amazon. I'll make sure I put it in the link below. The tea infuser. And I also got these little tea bags that I'm gonna try to use tonight. I have not used these, so this is gonna be my first time using these tea bags. So I'm gonna use these tea bags tonight. So either you can get a tea infuser or some tea bags. So what comes with Bye Bye Belly when you're making the tea? You need your tea, and you also need the secret sauce that they put in there. And the secret sauce is the flavor that they use. So tonight my secret sauce is orange tangerine. I'm gonna try this one out. I have tried the fruit punch, the strawberry watermelon. I also have tried just regular punch also, and I also tried the mango peach. Out of all of those, I would say maybe the strawberry watermelon what I like best, and then the mango peach is second. So I'm gonna try the orange tangerine tonight. So you also need some measuring cups and a pitcher. So those are the things that you need to start making your tea. So first, you're gonna take your gallon of water and you're gonna pour it in a pot. So y'all give me a minute and let me pour this in a pot. And I'll put my water on, I always start it out on high, and then I turn it down on medium when it start bubbling. So let me do that, and I'll be right back with you guys. So now I got my water boiling, and actually I'm gonna make 2 gallons of tea. Usually when I get down to like a day before, when I only got one, like a cup left, I'll go ahead and put my tea on like the day before, so I don't miss out, But you can take a break in between if you want to, but sometimes I do, sometimes I don't, depend on me. So you need your measuring spoons, and you're gonna need 8 teaspoons, not 8 tablespoons, 8 teaspoons. So this is my first time using these tea bags, so I'm gonna try these for my tea that I'm making, but I'm gonna use the tea infuser for the other tea that I'm making for somebody else. So basically I'm gonna unscrew this. You guys can watch. And I wanted to show y'all, these are, I don't know if y'all can see in there, it's loose leaf tea, and it's all organic, okay? And it smells good. So let me get my teaspoon. I'm gonna scoop 8 of those. And I kind of brush it off so they won't be overfilled. Y'all see? And let me tell y'all why I like this. Because if you look, you can see right before you get to the ring, that's how you know where to stop at. Because sometimes I almost made it. I just pour it in here because I've been doing it so long. So I know when I get to the top of the bottom of this ring right here, that it's 8 teaspoons. So, 8 teaspoons. And I'm just going to take it and I'll cover it up. And now I'm going to do the tea bags because I've never done this. So, this will be my first time. So, I don't know how much is in the tea bag. But I read the reviews on Amazon and they had pretty good reviews. So, I'm just going to see how this works. I think I might be going to so they come all together. So I'm going to take 2 bags out just in case. I don't know. Like I said, it's my first time using the tea bags. So I'm going to take 2 of them out. I might not need number 1, but I'm not for sure. Stick these back in there. So I'm going to open the tea bag up and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do 8 teaspoons. And let me tell you guys, out of a big bag of tea, you can get at least 4 gallons of juice. You can make, sorry, not a juice. You can get 4 gallons of tea. So this bag can make at least 4 gallons of tea. So let's see how this works. So this one. And I might put 4 in one bag and 4 in the other because I don't know how this is going to work. There's 3. And I might can get all of it here. That's 4. I think I'm going to try to get all of it. Okay, so I got all 8 scoops in there. So this is how the tea bag looks. So basically I'm going to take it and I'm going to do it in a drawstring. Because when I read the instructions, they say you pull a drawstring and tighten it. And then you're going to tie it in a knot. Like I said, it's my first time using the tea bag, so I'm going to use the tea bag to make my tea with because I don't know how this is going to work. And I want to make sure I'm tie it more than one time, I tie it like 2 times. So, the tea bag, tea infuser. So y'all give me a minute. I'll be right back. I'm going to show y'all what is going on the stove. This is my water, it's boiling. And it's down on low, so in a few minutes, I'm going to put my tea bags in there. Well, my tea bag is going this one, because this is my water. And then the tea infuser is going to go in this one. So, I'll be back in a minute when my tea cooks. So I'm back. As you see, my tea is done. So if you look in here, you probably can't, I don't know if you can see. You can see I left my tea infuser in here. So I'm gonna let my tea steep for 8 hours, and you want to make sure you at least let it steep for 8 hours. So I'm just gonna put it in my pitcher, put the lid on there, and just let it sit for 8 hours. Usually I just sit in the refrigerator. And that is how you make Bye Bye Belly Get Snatch tea. So until next time, I'll see you guys later.